For the first time, we've caught a glimpse of Russia's newest guided munition, the UMPB D30 SN, nestled under the wing of the Su-34 Frontline bomber. The footage was shared by Kirill Fedorov's channel just last night. Our cherished Su-34 bomber, affectionately dubbed the Duckling, is seen deploying the UMPB D30 SN, planting bombs on Ukrainian positions in Kharkiv, read the Post. News about this advanced high-precision weapon surfaced in early March. There were indications that it was being used in combat to target enemy positions within the war zone in Ukraine. Details on the new weapon were initially revealed by the fighter-bomber community. According to their report, the bomb sports a 300 mm diameter, comes equipped with a satellite navigation system and an inertial guidance system, and carries a warhead weighing approximately 230 kg. Its design features include a warhead, a control unit, a jet engine, and wings that deploy during flight. Munitions play a crucial role in neutralizing enemy targets, whether launched from combat aircraft or rocket artillery systems. We're talking about the 300 mm reactive volley firing system known as Tornado-S. In this context, the D30 SN is mounted on a standard missile section designed for the system's projectiles. By incorporating an engine and wings, the combat range of the ammunition is extended. This enhancement allows MLRS, multiple launch rocket system, cruise and combat aviation pilots to operate safely, minimizing the risk of threats from the enemy. Very little is known about the UMPB D30 SN product. In particular, there is no information about its creators and development timeframe. It can be assumed that this ammunition was created by one of the domestic defense organizations involved in the topic of aviation weapons. This enterprise is probably part of the Tactical Missile Weapons Corporation. The UMPB D30 SN project could have started at the beginning of the current decade or earlier. Several years should have been spent on designing and testing the design, and in the recent past, the finished product could reach field testing. After all the necessary checks, it was delivered to the troops. Now the ammunition is used by Frontline Aviation and is expected to appear in rocket artillery. From a design point of view, the UMPB D30 SN product is a controlled glide bomb of reduced dimensions with high flight characteristics and the maximum possible power of the warhead. The bomb is built in a streamlined body on which a folding swept wing and an X-shaped set of rudders are installed. It is known that the maximum diameter of the product reaches 300 mm. Other dimensions are unknown. The length of the bomb can be estimated at 6 to 2, 8 meters with a wingspan of approximately 2 meters. The total mass of the ammunition was not disclosed, although it is known that its high explosive fragmentation warhead weighs 250 kilograms. Reportedly, UMPB D30 SN has a combined guidance system based on inertial and satellite navigation devices. Noise-proof systems are used, which provide a high probability of solving a combat mission. Whether there is in-flight communication with the carrier, allowing the bomb to be retargeted, is unknown. It is assumed that the folding wing and improved aerodynamic appearance allow the UMPB D30 SN to demonstrate high flight characteristics. Thus, at an optimal altitude and release speed, the gliding flight range can reach 100 to 120 kilometers. All major domestic frontline aircraft can be used as carriers of the UMPB D30 SN. First of all, these are Su-34 bombers. It is also possible for fighters and attack aircraft to use different models, provided that the weapon control system is appropriately modified. The UMPB D30 SN product is designated as Interspecific, and its modification is proposed, intended for the Tornado SMLRS. In this case, the bomb is supplemented with a solid rocket motor and turns into a kind of rocket. The solid propellant rocket engine is responsible for the product's takeoff, acceleration, and reaching the design trajectory. The engine then separates and the bomb glides towards its target. In recent years, the Russian Aerospace Forces has been paying special attention to high-precision guided weapons. Various new models are being created, adopted, and used in real operations. Several important and interesting new products of this kind were demonstrated for the first time in the current special operation, and the next premiere took place just a few months ago. As can be judged from the available data, UMPB D30 SN has a number of positive features and advantages. First of all, these are high indicators of flight range and accuracy of hitting targets. Also important are the absence of restrictions when choosing a carrier aircraft and the fundamental possibility of placing ammunition on other platforms. A direct analog of the UMPB D30 SN ammunition in aviation version can be considered the FAB 250 high-explosive aerial bombs with the UMPC planning and correction module. Apparently, both such samples have similar accuracy and warhead power. At the same time, the improved aerodynamics of the interspecific ammunition allows for a noticeable increase in flight range. However, both bombs can be used in different situations and give the desired result. It should be noted that at the level of concept and execution, the UMPB D30 SN product is similar to an existing foreign model. Thus, the U.S. Air Force is armed with a small-diameter bomb, GBU-39B small-diameter bomb, optimized for use on aircraft with internal cargo compartments. On its basis, in the recent past, ammunition for the GLSDB type MLRS was created.